Hi, and welcome to Majestic.Cloud. I am Laszlo, and this is my channel. On this channel you can learn mostly about AWS. I work with AWS since 2012, and this is what I do every day. I develop and architect applications that run in the cloud. I believe that right now we are in the golden age of cloud computing. We can do things that we could have never dreamed of just a few years ago. But recently I realized that many people are still using the old way of doing things. They are still caring for servers like for some pets, using FTP to upload files to the servers and manually install packages. So I have decided to share my knowledge and help people start their cloud journey. On this channel you will find tutorials, tips and tricks, sometimes opinions of mine, and also sometimes you can find videos about apps that were built on top of AWS. Please feel free to use the discussion tab on the channel homepage to suggest topics, to interact with the community and so on. And please subscribe to the channel if you want to stay updated with the latest videos on AWS and cloud computing in general.